Good morning to both of you. The family says that Jose Luis Garcia was detained right in front of his front yard here, and he was just drinking coffee when agents arrested him. Let's take a look at the video so you know who we are talking about. This is Jose Luis Garcia. He is 62 years old. Family says that he works 3 jobs as a machine operator, personal trainer, and Uber driver. They say that on Sunday morning, Garcia was arrested by ICE agents. Agents told his daughter that they were detaining her father on an administrative warrant. Jose Luis Garcia, as Alex mentioned, was granted legal status during the Reagan administration under the Immigration Reform and Control Act. But in 2001, Garcia was involved in a domestic violence dispute. He pled no contest. His family is asking now for the public support. Okay, so you were here when that happened. Describe how it all went down.
He was screaming out my name, and I heard him through the window. And as I look through the window, I see 8 officers handcuffing him. And I ran out and I asked for a warrant. And where are you taking him? They didn't identify themselves. They said it was an administrative warrant, that it's not a criminal warrant, and they weren't allowed to show me anything. And they were dragging him into a car, and I didn't even know what was going on at that point.
At what point did you realize this might go back to the incident in 2001?
They actually mentioned that because of the administrative warrant had to do with his misdemeanor that he had in 2001 in Glendale, and that was it. I was like, that case should have been closed. That he did everything that he had to do, and that was it. It was a misdemeanor, And and he's a legal resident. He's been here, since he was 13 years old. This is his country. So I'm just shocked that it's happening to legal residents and to, it's just a misdemeanor, and it's just happening to legal residents. And, I'm urging the public for, support on this, because I didn't think I would see this on the news, and I didn't think it would ever happen to my family. And it's happening to my family, overnight. Everything changed. I don't have my dad anymore.
Now, some people watching this may not really believe that that is the only reason why he was detained. They may think something may have happened in between those years.
No, my dad is such a great guy. He's so charismatic. He loves, Uber is his favorite job because he gets to talk to people. He's a people person, and everywhere he goes, he talks to people of all levels, and he's a loving, light shines from him. So he hasn't, I know my dad,
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for speaking with us. We certainly wish you the best. Now, it is important to mention that in the U.S., if you are not a U.S. citizen, you can be deported, even if it is just a misdemeanor. Now, we contacted ICE all morning long, and we still have not received a statement from them. Hopefully, we will get one soon. I'll send it back to you guys in the studio.